Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you a crochet tops. This tops made by Noitar yarn, I mean cotton yarn. So it's really pretty yarn. You can see it's very thin and very nice work. This is a pineapple stitch. I like pineapple stitch. So many work, so many items I have pineapple stitch. So you can see this top is really pretty and cool. The color is sweet pink. I love this color. This is my favorite one. I hope you like too. If you know how to do crochet, you can make for you or your baby